Got some more people coming to look.
How high's the water, mama? 2 feet high and rising. How high's the water, papa? He said it's 2 feet high and rising. Well, we can make it to the road in a homemade boat, but that's the only thing we got left to float. It's already over all the wheat and oats. 2 feet high and rising.
That's crazy. It just
How
pushed it
high's the
all.
water, mama? 3 feet high and rising. How high's the water, papa? He said it's 3 feet high and rising. Well, the hives are gone, I lost my bees. Chickens are sleeping in the willow trees. Cows have water up past their knees. 3 feet high and rising. How high's the water, mama? 4 feet high and rising. How high's the water, papa? She said it's 4 feet high and rising. Hey, come look through the window pane. The bus is coming, gonna take us to the
Look,
train.
it pushed it all over here off the road. Like this ain't supposed to be here.
How high's the water, mama? 5 feet high and rising. How high's the water, papa? Said it's
Some of it
5
down
feet
here.
high and rising. Well, the rails are
Asphalt.
washed out north of town. We gotta head for higher ground. We can't come back until the water goes down.
Big sinkhole right here under this. And then the other side washed out too. It looks like over here. Looks like it washed out pretty good.
Crazy.
Pretty wild.
Pretty crazy. That's a lot of water.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's a lot of water.